Hello, let us solve this expression together. Root x plus 7 equals 7. So to solve this, we are going to rewrite this expression to become x plus 7 equals 7 minus root x. So let us put this in brackets. So we are going to square both sides. Square both sides. So that we can remove the square root that is attached. So that will now become root x plus 7 raised to the power 2 equals 7 minus root x all raised to the power 2. So this square root will remove this square, and that gives us x plus 7. So we are going to separate this. That is 7 minus root x and 7 minus root x. So from here, x plus 7 equals, let us open this bracket, 7 multiplied by 7, that's 49. 7 multiplied by minus root 7, that is minus 7 root x. So minus root x multiplied by 7, that is minus 7 root x. Minus root x multiplied by minus root x, that gives us plus x. So x plus 7 equals 49 minus 7 root x minus 7 root x, that gives us minus 14 root x and plus x. So let us collect the like terms. Therefore, x minus x, 7 and minus 49 equals minus root, that is equals minus 14, equals minus 14 root x. So from here, this is plus. So x minus x will cancel out. 7 minus 49, that is minus 42, equals minus 14 root x. So let us divide both sides by 14. That's minus 42 divided by minus 14 equals minus 14 root x divided by minus 14. So this will cancel this, and 14 here. Therefore, root x will now equals 3. So if we square both sides, x equals 9. So let us substitute and see whether our answer is correct. If we put 9 in this expression, square root of 9 is 3. Plus, if we put 9 here, that is 9 plus 7, and that gives us 16. Square root of 16 is 4. So 3 plus 4, that gives us 7. So thank you very much.